A night of joy and hope. New Year's Eve in Latin America. New Year's Eve. A night for celebration. Across Latin America, families and friends come together. We welcome the new year with open arms. Music fills the air, laughter too. It's a time for new beginnings. A fresh start for all. The energy is contagious. From bustling cities to quiet barrios, everyone joins in. The air crackles with excitement. It's a night of magic and hope. We say goodbye to the Año Viejo and embrace the new. Every country has its traditions. In some places, people eat 12 grapes at midnight, one grape for each month of good luck. Others wear colorful underwear. Rojo for love, amarillo for prosperity. We throw water out the window to wash away la mala suerte. We pack our maletas and run around the block. This brings travel adventures in the new year. It's a night for dreams and wishes. We dance, sing, celebramos la vida. Puerto Rico, the island comes alive. We celebrate with music, dancing, and delicious food. The rhythm of salsa fills the air. Everyone dances. We eat traditional dishes like pasteles and lechon. We drink coquito, our special holiday drink. La fiesta lasts until dawn. It's a celebration of our culture and our joy. Happy New Year. As the clock strikes midnight, we shout, Feliz Año Nuevo, Happy New Year. We hug our loved ones. We wish each other happiness and prosperity. It's a beautiful moment of unity and joy. From my JCAB tutoring family to yours, Feliz Año Nuevo. May the new year bring you salud, amor, and alegría. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.